Do you know that weight loss in sugar is also a disease? You are watching the 5th part of the first episode of Diabetic Hand Diseases. A complete description of cheroarthropathy, Dupuytren disease, carpal tunnel syndrome and flexor tenosynovitis are available in the previous 4 parts. In this video we will only mention muscle wasting and body weakness. If your body is also weak, first of all you should know that why the body is weak. What are the reasons for this? And what are its symptoms? How is it diagnosed? And how is treatment possible after diagnosis? Let's see what is muscle wasting according to its definition. If IR occurred due to any disease, your muscles become weak, shrink or end completely. Such a condition is called muscle wasting or muscle atrophy. This disease occurs mostly in diabetic patients. Due to this disease, your body may lose strength or you may be unable to move. You know what muscle wasting is, now you know what the causes of muscle wasting can be. The main cause of this disease is immobility, that is, people who cannot feel movement in a specific part of the body or sometimes in the whole body due to an accident or disease. The duration of the effect of this disease is from 10 to 42 days. Apart from this disease affects people who are more than 50 years old because as the age of a person continues to increase, the ability of the human body to work also decreases. Such as the low formation of protein that plays an important role in building muscle. In this video you will also know how to protect yourself from it. Apart from this, it also affects those people who consume very little food or use such a diet which has low protein content or do not include fruits and vegetables in their daily diet. It affects diabetic patients the most because the amount of insulin in diabetic patients is low and insulin plays an important role in building and growing muscles. There are many people who know the symptoms of this disease late. It causes numbness in the hands and feet, tingling in the hands, difficulty in holding an object, weakness of one arm or one leg compared to the other leg, memory loss and menstrual irregularities in women, including coming too late. Only if you know about its correct diagnosis then correct treatment is possible. The first physical examination is done to diagnose it, so that it can be estimated what is your nature and what medicines you have used or been treated before. During the physical examination, you should describe your symptoms in detail. After the medical examination, various tests are done to know your mental condition, in which nerve conduction studies are usually done. Apart from this, electromyography is also done, a separate and detailed video of which will be broadcast soon. Apart from this, laboratory tests can also be done according to the nature of the disease in some patients. Creatine kinase is a test that is sometimes done to check muscle weakness because when the fibers in the muscle are broken or the muscle is injured for some reason, then the amount of creatine kinase in the blood increases. Apart from this, urine test is also done. If your body has more weakness, biopsy is done for it, in which a small piece is separated from your muscle and sent to a specific laboratory for examination. Apart from laboratory tests, radiology tests can also be done. In radiology, a chest X-ray is done in which the movement of the lungs is checked or a CT scan is done for all the internal examinations of the body. Apart from this, MRI can be done through which the smallest defects of the body can be diagnosed. Now we will tell about its treatment, which is the most important to control this disease. The most effective method for this is exercise. To get your body back to its former state or healthy body, it is important to make daily exercise a routine. This is especially important for people over the age of 50 because their bodies need more movement. We tell you some specific exercise methods that you can do easily and your health will improve quickly. Lifting weights, standing and bending, sitting and standing, pulling weights, stretching the muscles of the legs, walking with weights, lifting weights from the shoulders and lying straight and lifting weights. If you are exercising then you should also take care of your diet. Yes, as much as exercise is necessary in muscle wasting, it is necessary to use food correctly. If you eat a balanced diet, your body will also be balanced. Therefore, you should use such a diet that helps you build and increase. In this way you will be safe from muscle wasting. Let us tell you about some balanced foods. Balanced foods are the first foods containing protein, which include milk and milk products, meat, fish and eggs, etc. After that, the most important thing for the muscles is vitamin D, which maintains the strength of the muscles because it absorbs calcium, and it is calcium that makes the muscles hard and lively. If you want a complete detailed video on vitamin D, you can express your opinion by commenting. Then there is omega-3, which reduces excess fat from the body and makes the muscles flexible. It is usually found in seafoods. The complete episode of Hand Diseases will be broadcast next week at 12 o'clock. Subscribe to our channel now for quality information on diabetes and all other diseases.